Welcome to my channel. Let us look at this size equation. Simplify x minus 3 over x plus 3 minus x squared minus 3x over x squared minus 9. So the first thing we're going to do is rewrite this second expression using the quadratic identities. So the numerator is just okay, so we can have it x minus 3 over x plus 3 minus, then you can have a common factor, which is x. So you have x into x minus 3, then over this. So this one can be seen as x squared minus 3 squared. So you look at this and you see one of the quadratic identities, which is a difference of squares, that is a squared minus b squared, that is given by a plus b times a minus b. So it means we can rewrite x squared minus 3 squared as x plus 3, x minus 3. So let us rewrite our expression. So we're going to have x minus 3 over x plus 3 minus x into x minus 3 over x plus 3 into x minus 3. So at this point, you can simply cancel the like terms because these are product between two numbers. So you'll take x minus 3 and x minus 3, they will cancel, so that you're left with x minus 3 over x plus 3 minus, we're left with x there over x plus 3. So the denominators are the same. So it means for us to combine these two, we just consider the numerator. So this will be the same as x minus 3 minus x over x plus 3. So x minus x is 0, so we are left with minus 3 over x plus 3 as the simplest form of that expression. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel.